Hey, what's up guys, Halley Scores here, and you're probably wondering, Dean, when the hell did you get the Deadpool skin? Well, I got it the day I was leaving for my trip, just about like 15 minutes before I left. That's really the question that was needed to be answered. But, I would have done a skin review of everything, but honestly I think that's kind of too late for all that. But today we will be doing the shotguns only challenge, and this is going to be kind of tedious because of course you need range, and well, we're not going to have much of that. So anyways, I'll see you when we're in the match.
Alright, we are now in the match, and well, let's see here. Let's land Reckless. We could get ourselves a good shotgun there. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to go for the mythic boss that has a shotgun. But I'm thinking of, once I'm done with Reckless and get my shotguns, let's head over to Classy so I can get myself the that one shotgun, Oscar shotgun. Alright. Once we get our first shotgun, please, come on, shotgun. Oh, look at that, blue. That's pretty good. There we go, got it. Oh dear, we got a guy here. Should I go for him? Nope. Oh, that was a close one. But we got our second shotgun. Yeah, personally, I am going to believe that going for this is not going to be one of our best attempts. But we're gonna be here to try our best. Jesus, I sound like some cringy, inspirational person. Oh, look at that, I finally got that. Oh, max. Okay, cool. Yeah, I get 50 shield, and then there it goes. It's all gone. Oh, whoops. Can't pick that up. Man, good thing I caught myself there. Alright, shotgun? No shotgun, unfortunately. Will say, though, just that way I can't use any guns. Yeah, no, what I'm doing is stupid. That's just not. That's the only time I'm actually gonna drop my guns like that. Or ammo, not guns. Alright, we got ourselves 3 shotguns. Now, I'm probably not gonna need 3 shotguns to be exact, but, well, let's find ourselves the, Oscar shotgun, and then we should probably be able to drop at least one. Oh no. That's a guy. Oh no. Alright, I need a car. Nope. That is a assault rifle. The worst one in the game. It's a hook. Nope. Oh, porta bunkers will be perfect for this situation. I'm gonna use EMPs so that way I can at least disable cars while they're trying to run me over. So, you know, instead of EMPs, how about we just no, not remote explosives either. Let's just get ourselves some heals, or mobility at least. Because I mean, I'm gonna need this a whole lot. Can't I get a car though? Like, Jesus, where's the cars at? This isn't even ranked, so they should be in the game. Okay, well that just happened as soon as we make it to Classy. Oh dear. Okay, slight problem. Is Oscar still alive? Oh, no. Oh no. He isn't. Surprise! Yes, I just used 3 shotguns right there. No judging. Transmitness. Where could possibly Oscar have gone? Isn't he still on the island? I'm so confused. There goes my plan. Crap. Alright, I guess next person we're trying to find is the, Cerberus Gatekeeper. Oh, look at that. Finally a car. Uh-oh, we got a guy here. Alright. Okay, this is the same one, but this is better. Okay, so we have bunker over here. Oh yeah, we have a car. Jesus, I feel like I'm so used to running now. Oh yeah. I need to try some. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. It's very quiet. Damn, this thing is long. I can see why they made this freaking car free. This car is such a disadvantage. Other than it being maybe quiet. Oh, come on! You serious? Medallion is at... Oh my god. This is such a scam, dude. Oh yeah, I need to show you guys something real quick. So, when you exit the car, or not exit, I should say, when you switch seats, oh, you're just out in the car. This is such a freaking scam that I can see why they made it free. And yet they're gonna sell it again later in the item shop. Like, what a way to make a car a complete ripoff. Like, you're not even protected. Like, this might as well just be a 2-seater. Alright, let's see if we can find ourselves a better shotgun here. That's still combat. Jeez, I haven't even found myself an actual good shotgun yet. Is he away from... Yes, he is. I'm gonna go back to bunker. Deadpool in his Tesla Cybertruck. That's so weird. Okay, I will constitute me being able to use Nitro Fist, but for mobility. Not for weapon capabilities. Jeez, I'm sounding like a nerd now. Okay, I guess we're rocking 2 shotguns now. Amazing. Alright, let's mod this thing. Alright, amazing. Yeah, no, I really need to stop. But let's get back in our Cybertruck here, and then we can done did skedaddle. I will say though, the Cybertruck is quiet. That is one thing I do like from this. Why did I even pick up the turret? I can't even damage people with it. So dumb. Alright. Yeah, baby. Dang it. Freaking launch pad. I'm trying to see if I can get myself a better shotgun once again. And this time we have some people right below us. Not fun. Alright, shotgun bestowed on me. Ooh, guess what? Ooh, gave me a purple one. It's pretty good. It is everything I want, except I kind of want a drum mag, but I mean, we can survive without that. As much as I want to pick up the hand cannon, I unfortunately cannot. That's right, I do like the hand cannon. Don't judge me for that. Jesus, I just want some mobility or like something else. Oh wait, I already have mobility. Never mind. I mean, I want some more porta bunkers. That's really what I want. Oh, dear. That's right. I'll try to shoot this guy with freaking combat shotgun. Oh! Oh! That's what I thought, Wolverine. That's what I thought, Hugh Jackman. Yeah, don't did skedaddle. We're going. Oh. Here comes Hugh Jackman. Oh dear. This is a bad idea. This was a bad idea. This was a bad idea. Oh dear. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, he's the one who had the goddamn. Oh no. I'm dead. Run! Run! Well, I got the only two things I needed. Woo! Oh, that was scary, dude. Cannot believe that. I'm over here fighting off with a combat shotgun, and then this is what happens. This guy just used 2 nitro. Oh, okay, this guy's an AI. Going down. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm getting shot. Bad missed. Oh dear. Oh dear. Got him. We are now going to be the most targeted man on the planet here. Oh dear. I want those Magneto gauntlets so bad, but I can't. Shotguns only sucks, that's for sure. Oh dear. Oh, lightning shot net. Oh. Oh yeah. This combat has insane range with this. Alright, I need a new med mist. That's for sure. Oh, there's a big bot right here. Perfect. Didn't even need to buy one. Alright, we got 2 more people left. We got this. We got this. Oh, we got this. We got this. We got this. There we go. More med mist. And we have ourselves 2 porta bunkers. That's all we have. Got him. Got him, got him, got him. One last guy, everybody. One last guy. We got this. We got this, we got this, we got this. Alright, last guy's here. Oh dear. Breathe. Breathing. Yeah! Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. With only shotguns. I will catch you on the next one. See you later.